Hello, action! Today we are making Instant Pot Jeera Rice as inspired by a Costco magazine recipe. Hi Nicholas! So to do that we have basmati rice, we have water. How much? What's the ratio like?
1 1/4.
1 cup and 1/4 cup. We have some cilantro, we have a chili pepper, bay leaf, half a stick of cinnamon, cumin, some oil, a handful of cashews, peppercorns, and our own addition, some green peas, which we like. Royce is going to get us started. We're going to put the oil into the Instant Pot and we're going to turn on the saute function to heat that up. Okay, once the oil gets nice and hot, we're going to add our cumin seeds.
Just sauteing this for 10 seconds or so, just to give it a little bit of aroma.
Okay, 2 cloves after that, which we forgot to mention. Cinnamon, chili pepper, bay leaf, and peppercorns. So basically all of our spices are going in now into the oil. And we're going to fry those. Yep, just Nicholas approves. I'm going to fry those. And once those become fragrant, and then we're ready to cook our rice. So we're going to take our basmati, which we've rinsed. Dunk that in. Mix it around with all the spices and the oil. Once it's all been coated, we can turn off the saute function. We can add our water. Yeah, add the water, the cashews, and then we're gonna, add the cilantro and our peas. Okay. And then we're gonna close it up and cook it 4 minutes. Is that right? 4 minutes, and then we'll let it sit for 5 before we depressurize, and we're ready to go. Action. Okay, so we're at 5 minutes and we're gonna depressurize. And we're just gonna do the big reveal here. Steamy. It's very blurry. Can you just... There we go. Yeah, looks good, huh? Half stick of cinnamon.
I'm gonna call child services on us after watching this video. He's fine.